Kenya is building something massive, a 60,000-seater mega stadium rising in the heart of Nairobi. It's called Talanta Sports City, and it's more than just a place to play football. It's a statement, a bold message that Kenya is ready to compete with the world. But behind the billion-shilling project lies a bigger story, one of ambition, politics, and Africa's fight for a spot on the global stage. For decades, Kenya's stadiums have lagged behind, outdated infrastructure, poor maintenance, and missed opportunities for hosting major events. But that's changing. Talanta Sports City isn't just another stadium. It's part of a national plan to transform Kenya into a global sporting destination. Located at Jamhuri Grounds in Nairobi, the new Talanta Stadium will hold 60,000 fans and become the centerpiece of a sprawling sports and entertainment complex. But this project isn't just about football. It's about something far bigger. The name Talanta means talent in Swahili, and that's no accident. Kenya wants this complex to become a talent factory, where the next generation of athletes, musicians, and performers are born. The design includes not only a world-class football stadium, but also training academies, indoor arenas, aquatic centers, hotels, and commercial zones, turning it into a self-sustaining sports city. Think of it as Kenya's version of Qatar's Aspire Zone or South Africa's FNB Stadium, but built to serve not just global events, but Kenyan talent first. Timing is everything. Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda will co-host the 2027 Africa Cup of Nations, AFCON, a massive opportunity to showcase East Africa's potential. But to host matches at home, Kenya needs world-class infrastructure. That's where Talanta comes in. It's designed to meet CAF and FIFA standards, giving Kenya the chance to host AFCON finals, Champions League games, and even global athletics events. For young Kenyan athletes who've dreamed of playing on home soil at the highest level, this is more than concrete and steel. It's a dream finally coming to life. Construction began in 2024 under the Kenya Kwanza government's flagship sports plan. It's one of several stadiums being fast-tracked for AFCON readiness. As of 2025, the project is around 40% complete, with crews working round the clock to meet the December 2025 deadline. Once finished, the stadium will include VIP lounges, media centers, modern locker rooms, digital screens, retractable roofing, and a hybrid turf pitch designed for international competition. Some Kenyans question whether a $100 million mega stadium is the right priority when the country faces economic challenges. Others fear the project could face delays, cost overruns, or the fate of other abandoned infrastructure projects. Critics point to Kasarani and Nyayo, once world-class, now struggling with maintenance, and ask, will Talanta suffer the same fate? But supporters argue that Talanta Sports City is an economic engine. It's expected to create thousands of jobs, boost tourism, attract global events, and inject millions into the local economy. Even beyond sports, the complex aims to become a hub for music festivals, tech expos, and cultural events, positioning Nairobi as one of Africa's top event capitals. Think of how Cape Town Stadium transformed South Africa's global image. After 2010, Talanta aims to do the same for Kenya. For decades, Kenyan talent has thrived on foreign soil, from runners dominating Olympic marathons to footballers making their names abroad. But Talanta is part of a new strategy to build a home where African talent can shine without leaving the continent. It's more than a stadium. It's a signal that Africa isn't content being a talent exporter. It wants to be the stage. When Talanta Sports City finally opens its doors, it won't just host games, it will host dreams. And it will remind the world that Kenya isn't just participating in global sports anymore. It's playing to win. The real measure of Talanta's success won't be in its size or its budget. It will be in the stories written on its turf. And if Kenya plays its cards right, the next chapter of African sport might just begin right here in Nairobi.